I went outside and pissed on the elderly. Finger me the second, that's awful. Oh, what a glorious day. Botherington! Say something, fat. Oh. It's a penguin! Pingling. I'm so fat I can't see my penis. Disgusting. Today we are playing MyVoiceZoo, I think is what it's called. And we're going to be making the most accurate animal sounds known to mankind. This is also very fucking loud. Wow. Well, she's kind of... Wait, how old is she? Wait, how old is she? How old is the red-haired girl from MyVoiceZoo? She must be above at the age of 18, no? I would let her stick her tongue in my anus. No! Wow, this is the zoo I get to take care of starting today. Yes, Lucy, you do. But I have to make the animal sounds myself. That's a little weird. It is. But it doesn't. But it does sound kind of fun. Wow. What? We have to change the fucking thing. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, yeah. Touch me. Oh, do I get to walk around now? What? Stop, skip, and a jump. What do I get to do? Okay, this one. A ducky. Yay! Give me the duck. I want them. Okay, I've got to... What's his name going to be? Reginald. These are all... Okay, guys, these are all going to be distinguished gentlemen. They all need to be distinguished and educated gentlemen. So, what can his name can be... Botherington. Botherington. His name's Botherington. Yes, Botherington. So we have to record the voice. Oh, what a glorious day. Oh, what a glorious day. Oh, what a glorious day. Botherington. Hello, Botherington. Come over, Botherington. Oh, what a glorious day. Botherington. Oh, my... Botherington, how is your day today, Botherington? Oh, what a glorious day. It is, it's a glorious day. Now what do I do? Oh, do I get to adopt more animals? What's this? It's a sheep! It's time to talk to the sheep. It's the sheep's name. What's the sheep's name? We can call the sheep Reginald. 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 What can Reginald say, guys? What would a distinguished gentleman say? What would... No, okay, we'll call another one, Bob. What would a distinguished gentleman say? Well, a distinguished gentleman would say... How dare you peasants look at me! Get away from me, you filthy peasants! Get away from me, you filthy peasants! Reginald, stop being mean! Stop it, Reginald! We need to go over here to the polar... Wait, where's the biomes? Reginald! Reginald! Get away from me, you filthy peasants! Oh, sorry! Pip, pip, cheerio! Oh, what a glorious day! Oh, what a glorious day! Oh, we're in the snow biome now, guys. We're in the snow biome. What's happening in the snow biome? What's this? I don't want this. I want a polar bear. Where's the polar bear at? What's this? No, 6,000? Goodness gracious. It's a goat! It's a goat. What? Okay, we can call the goat one Bob. 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 Fetch me my tea! Fetch me my tea! Bob! Bob, welcome to the farm! Hello, Bob! My tea! Sorry, I'm not your butler. Get away from me, you filthy peasant! Sorry! What else can I adopt? Is this literally the whole fucking game? What are you? It's a fox! Foxy. What can we call this? What can we call the fox, guys? Guys, what can we call the fox? It needs to be a distinguished gentleman name. Pipple. No. Carlton. Carlton. What can Carlton do? Does Carlton like to play bowls? No. Today he's going to play tennis. Yes! He's going to play tennis with the boys. With the gentlemen. You can't be here. This is for gentlemen only. You can't be here. This is for gentlemen only. Oh, I'm so sorry. Carlton, I wish to speak to you, Carlton. Carlton, there has been... Carlton!
Oh, what a glorious day. This is for gentlemen only. Me.
Carlton!
You can't be here. This is for gentlemen only.
Sorry! I'm sorry. No.
Fetch me my tea. You filthy peasants.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wait, can we unlock more? What else can we adopt? This one. It's a penguin! Penguin! What do penguins do? What could we call this? Pingling. Pingling. Pop, 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 pop. No, that was not good. No. Your mother's fat ass is disgusting. Your mother's fat ass is disgusting. Oh, goodness gracious. Pippling. Pingling, how dare you speak of someone's mother like that. Pingling, come here, Pingling. I must speak to you, Pingling.
Fat ass is disgusting.
No, no, that's not nice.
Ass is disgusting. Away from me, you filthy peasants.
Okay, guys, we have the we have the distinguished gentleman now. Now it's time to do.
Away from me, you filthy peasants.
It's a fat walrus. Okay, walrus, you can be fatty watty. Fatty watty. I'm so fat I can't see my penis. I'm so fat I can't see my penis. Yes, fatty watty, come. I need to.
Oh, what a glorious day.
Yeah, you are very
My tea.
No, you are very.
What
no.
a glorious day.
You see, I love Botherington. He's very distinguished.
My tea.
That's not very nice.
My penis. I'm so fat I can't see my penis. Disgusting. Fetch me my tea. Get away from me, you filthy.
I'm making myself laugh. I'm gonna kill myself in game. I need to drink. Oh my god. Oh, what else can we do? What else can we do? No, I want to unlock. Can I unlock this? Or
what a glorious day.
Shut the fuck up!
My tea.
Shut up!
Get away from me.
Go, shut up! Please, I'm begging. What's this? Spending money. It's a polar bear! What can we call the polar bear, guys? Chat, you can name the polar bear. Give me your suggestions. Frederick! Yes! Polarton. Polarton. Frederick. Frederick? No. Frederick Polarton. Polton. Frederick Polton. Frederick Polton. What can Frederick Polton say? What can Frederick Polton say? He can say... Oh my god, my insides hurt, guys. I can't keep this up. My insides hurt. Frederick Polton can say... We can say... I traveled the globe and got the shits. I traveled the globe and got the shits. No! It's awfully cold in this environment. It's awfully cold in this environment. Yeah. Okay, now we... No! Leave me alone!
Oh, fetch me my tea. Oh, what a glorious day.
No! Carlton, speak to me!
This is for gentlemen only.
Sorry, that's your gentleman corner. That's your gentleman corner, my fault. Fatty! Fatty watty!
I'm so fat I can't see my penis.
Ah, you should go and work out then, you fat bastard. What? What do you say,
Your
Pingerling?
mother's fat ass is disgusting.
So is yours. What is this one, Frederick Polton? Frederick!
It's awfully cold in this environment.
It is! It's awfully cold, and what is your...
Tea.
Ow!
Get away from me, you filthy peasants.
What's this? I got a penguin!
Get away from me, you filthy peasants.
Stop, shut up!
Get away from me, you...
What else do I do, guys, in this game? Guys, what else do I do in this game? Is this literally all I do? What do I do? Did I give her the follow, Pikachu? Pika-Chubblegum? Reginald.
Get away from me, you filthy peasants.
No, sorry.
Tea.
Sorry. It's glorious now. Oh no, this is your
tea.
this is your gentleman's corner. I can't be here.
Your mother's...
What if I give
so
it?
fat I can't see my penis.
This one. Today I went outside and pissed on the elderly. You can be Rain finger me the second.
Today I went outside and pissed on the elderly.
Finger me the second, that's awful. Why would you say such a thing? It's a lion. Okay, it's the lion. Okay, let's do the lion. We can do this as mane. Wool mane. Teether. Wool mane teether. I have a portion of your mother's arse in my mouth. I can't. No! Stop! You just stop laughing. This is delicate business. This is delicate business, guys. We're delicate business. Your father's rectum was glorious this breakfast. Your father's rectum was glorious this breakfast. There we go. Woolmane teether! Come here. Come here, Woolmane. Where are you, Woolmane? Your father's rectum was glorious this breakfast. Yeah. Stop eating my father's ass! That's disgusting. Sorry, no, this is wonderful. Hello.
Get away from me, you filthy peasants.
We're going around, traveling. Here we go.
Squawk, squawk. Your mother's a whore.
This is such a... Say something,
Oh,
Botherington.
what a glorious day.
I know. Carlton.
You can't be here. This is for gentlemen only. Me,
That's-
my tea. I'm so fat I can't see my penis. I went outside and pissed on the elderly. I'm so fat I can't
Why
see
would
I
you
went
say
outside
that,
and pissed
Finger
on
Me the
elderly.
Second? Pingerling, say
Your
something.
mother's fat ass is
It's awfully
disgusting.
cold in this environment.
I love Fingering Me the Second. Fingering Me the Second, please say
I
something.
went outside and pissed on the elderly.
Hi, Azim. Hi, Azim. Rah! Fetch me my tea. I think, guys,
Fetch me my tea.
I think we should do some, we should try...
Fetch me my tea.
Okay, let's do some real animal impressions. Is this a... Oh, it's a flamingo. Oh, no, we need to do a flamboyant sound. We need to do a flamboyant one. We can do flamboyancy. Pingu. Flamboyancy Pingu. This is his name. We need to do a flamboyant sound, like a... Okay, I need to invest in my inner twink. I need to... Eclipse with the 10 gifted subs! Wow! Thank you! Ooh, thank you for the 10 gifted! Okay, we need to do a flamboyant sound. Thank you, Eclipse, by the way. That was so nice and sexy, and my anus has gone inside itself. It hasn't really. Okay, for this one, we need to invest. We need to invest in my inner... We need to invest in my inner zest. Ew, this is... I just pulled my shoulder being flamboyant. I need to be flamboyant. If you can't see, I'm being flamboyant in my chair. Oh, I can't believe this has happened. Oh, I can't believe this has happened. The first penis I sucked was incredibly large. No, that wasn't true. The first penis I sucked was incredibly large. The first penis I sucked was incredibly large. No! That's gay! I love it. Flamboyancy Pingu, come.
Fetch me incredibly large.
Come here.
The first penis I sucked was incredibly large.
Fat bitch. Say something, fat bitch. Say something.
Oh! Your father's rectum was glorious this breakfast.
Wait, we need more. Let me collect them. We need to collect all of the money. Say something, you fat bastard.
This horn on my nose.
Say something. Speak, Theodore.
I once masturbated.
Thank you.
Oh!
Wait. Come on. We need to find more. Hello, Bob.
Fetch me my tea.
Hello,
Oh,
Botherington.
what a glorious day.
Thank you. Carlton, hello. Haven't seen you in a while.
You can't be here. This is for gentlemen. Fetch me my... I'm so fat I can't see my penis. Your mother's fat ass is disgusting.
This is the worst thing in the world.
It's awfully cold in this environment. Today I went outside and pissed on the elderly. I'm so fat I can't see.
I can't get away with this. I can't keep getting away with this. Give me more. It's a bear. Okay, let me try and do a fat bear sound. Let me try and do a fat bear. I'm too large. No. Inverted penis. Oh. Inverted penis. Hello, inverted penis.
Was incredibly large.
Flamboyancy Pingu.
Penis I sucked was incredibly large.
You know.
I used this horn on my nose as a dildo. Your
No, you
father's
didn't.
rectum was glorious this breakfast.
No. How much do we need for the next
I once
one?
masturbated with a spoon.
We need more. Fat bitch, say something, fat bitch. Speak, you fat bitch.
It was glorious this breakfast.
Where are you? Fuck off! I want to speak to my bear. There you are, penis. Where are you?
Get away from me, you filthy peasant.
Oh, sorry. Botherington.
Oh, what a glorious day.
You're the most distinguished one here, Botherington. Get more animals. I can't. I need to find more. Oh, wait, I can get more of the same.
I defecated on the royal ground.
Wait, I need to get more. I need to go around saving.
I defecated on the royal ground. We are the land of the free.
Squawk,
No, that's not good. Your mother's a whore.
Stop. That's you can't say those things, parrot man.
First penis I saw.
No, that's gay.
Your father's rectum was glorious.
No, that's also gay. Everyone's saying gay things.
Oh.
I've got a gay zoo. Okay, it's a lion. This can be the hentai lion. You can be called hentai lion. Hentai kitty. And you can be Yamate. Yamate. Ow, by your loin. Hello, hentai kid. Shut the fuck up, you fat bitch.
With a spoon.
No.
I used this horn on my nose as a dildo. Your
No.
father's rectum was glorious this breakfast. Penis I sucked was incredible.
I'm sweating. I can't do this anymore.
First penis I sucked was
No, that's gay.
away from me, you filthy peasant.
Botherington.
Oh, what a glorious day.
It's so accurate, I wonder why.
Me my tea.
What do you mean by that? Hello, fatty watty.
I'm so fat I can't see my penis. Pissed on the elderly.
Stop pissing on the elderly.
Ass is disgusting.
No,
It's awfully
Frederick.
cold in this environment.
It is.
Disgusting. Tea.
Where else are we? Inverted penis.
Oh.
Tiger. Hentai kitten, I need you to just... Okay, we do uwu. Let's do a real... It's a panda. What do pandas do? What do pandas say? We can call you China because you remind me of China. No, Chinese. China. 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 What can China sound like without sounding racist? Should I do another distinguished gentleman? Or should I do something else? I think one that would sound nice is like an old man voice. You can take these strokes. You can take these strokes. Yeah, there we go. No, I don't want to find all of them. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be so honest. I think I've done everything in the... Okay, no, we'll do one more. We'll do one more. We'll do one more.
Your father's rectum was glorious as breakfast. I am a good.
Shut up, Gurida-san.
Can take these strokes.
Oh, why are you giving me strokes, pant? Stop!
My teeth.
No, I don't want you anymore.
I'm sorry I went outside and pissed on the elderly.
Pingling.
Fat arse is... It's awfully cold in this environment.
Yes, you're very distinguished. At least some of you have maintained grace and decorum inside of this zoo. It's gone slightly off rails.
Oh, the land of the free. Squawk, squawk. Your mother's a whore.
Oh, guys, these are some seriously troubled animals.
The first penis I sucked was incredibly...
No, you can't suck penis as a flamingo. Okay, this is the last one.
I once masturbated.
This is the last one, and it's a sloth. Before I end up ruining my voice, we have to do this one. And this one is going to be a sloth. Most of these aren't distinguished. Yeah, it kind of went downhill. They started off distinguished, and then it kind of just went to shit. They're no longer distinguished gentlemen anymore. Okay, guys, right. You guys can choose this last one. What should we call the sloth? It can be the old man if you want. It can be the old man if you want. Oh my god, guys. Oh my fucking god, guys. I've wasted all my naked. You know what? Naked sounds like a good idea. I'll be honest with you. Naked might be the what's it called? It might be the way to go. We can call it orange juice, and it can talk about being naked. Orange juice, and it can be Sometimes I partake in getting naked in public. Sometimes I partake in getting naked in public. Every once in a while, I enjoy taking my penis out. No! Every once in a while, I remove my own penis. Every once in a while, I remove my own penis. Orange juice! Come here, orange juice! No. My own penis. Hello, orange juice. Can you say something for us? Say something for chat, orange juice. Every once in a while, I remove my own penis. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Okay, right. I'm lying. I want to do one more. Guys, I'm lying. I want to do one more. I want to do one more. I'm going to... I want to do one more.
You can take these strokes.
Wait. Let me do one more. One more. Wait, now I can do this one. Ribbit. Froggy. Froggers. Hi, Blooms. His name's Froggers. And it could say, hippity hoppity, I'm bouncing on your property. Hippity hoppity, I'm bouncing on your property. No, that's not gay enough. Hippity hoppity, your semen is now my property. That's gay enough. Hippity hoppity, your semen is now my property. No! Froggers! Hippity hoppity, your semen is now my property. Now we have the dog. Okay, right, this could be the last one. We can call this Arthurrington. Arthurrington. Arf, arf! Put it in my penis! That's all. No, can't say that. Can't say that. Oh. There we go. Let me go back to Arthurrington. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Welcome to the most distinguished zoo in history. Let me take you on the tour. First, Theodore. I once masturbated with a spoon. Oh. Say something, fat bitch. Oh. Yes.
Oh, I am a gorilla-san.
Every once in a while, I remove my own penis. Say something, hentai kitty. Your semen is now my property. Hippity hoppity, your semen is now my property.
You can take these.
Hippity hoppity, your semen. Sorry, pervert penis. Arthurrington. Reginald.
Get away from me, you filthy peasants. Oh, what a glorious day.
Carlton.
You can't be here. This is for gentlemen only. Fetch me my tea. Oh.
Shitstain McGee.
Today I defecated on the royal ground. We are the land of the free.
Squawk, squawk.
Your mother's a whore.
Royal ground. I think we've played enough of this fucking game, guys. I'll be honest with you. Wait. Shut up. Fatty watty.
I'm so fat I can't see my penis.
Yes. Fingering me the second, say something.
Today I went outside and pissed on the elderly.
That's not very nice.
Your mother's fat ass is disgusting.
Frederick.
It's awfully cold in this environment. It's disgusting.
Have we seen everything now?
Oh.
I think we've seen everything.
You can take these.
I think we've done everything now, guys.
Oh, I am a gorilla-san.
Guys, we have done